and welcome to our Friday informational video and this video on your interim assessment today. So today you have your interim assessment. It's going to be a little different than your other weekly quizzes. There are 30 questions. It's worth 60 points. So there's quite a few, so make sure you do take your time. You've been preparing all week, looking over the review, coming to class, filling in your study guides, so you should be prepared and ready to go. Quick overview on the assessment, what it will be covering. It will cover accurate descriptions of history. It will cover time periods such as millennium, decade, century. Make sure you know what all of those mean. It will cover, you need to know what a region is, what a place is, those 5 themes of geography, Mr. Help. You'll need to know about centuries. We covered that in class, and those were on class notes. You know, what is the 17th century, what dates are included in the 17th century, what dates, what century is, the date, the year 1822, something like that. You will need to know prehistory and history. You'll need to know, let's see, what else? Artifacts, what a historian does, what an archaeologist does. You'll need to know some geographic features such as river valleys and fertile plains. You'll need to have some mapping skills, some things we went over this week and in review. You'll need to know what a civilization is, what characterizes a civilization, what characteristics you specifically need for a civilization. You'll need to know about certain types of cultures, religions that those cultures use. Remember, polytheism, monotheism. Let's see, you'll need to know different languages, Sumerians, what the Sumerians used for their form of communication. We did some activities with that. You'll need to know about Gilgamesh. You'll need to know about that Babylonian ruler who established that first code of laws, and you'll need to know a little bit about Nebuchadnezzar. So that's just a quick overview of some, kind of review topics that you may want to look over before you start your test. But again, if you attended class this week, if you did the review in your OMS, if you've, been attending class and participating this year, you should have absolutely no problems on today's test. It is, like I said, it is 60 points, 30 questions, so it's pretty large. But again, you should have no issues. You do have 3 attempts, so take your first attempt today. Your second attempt will open on Sunday night, Monday morning. So if you don't do as well as you wanted to, take the weekend to study, look over, questions, you can jot down the questions, maybe ones that you had a hard time with, study those in your book, and you should be good to go. One other quick note I want to make is we are starting our World Geography Wednesdays. They will be due on Wednesday. I did create the module. The module is open. It's under your weekly assignment, so you can take a look at it if you'd like. You can get started on it. It's open now. It's not due until Wednesday. I'll explain more about it in class on Monday, but if you want to take a look at it over the weekend, you are more than welcome to do that. Just kind of a little precursor to what's coming, and those will be on Wednesdays from here on out. They'll be due on Wednesdays. They will open the Friday before. So, all right, have an amazing day. Good luck on your assessment today. You are allowed to use your notes. You are allowed to use your book. You are allowed to use your student guide and your study guides. So use all of those resources that have been helping you to study up to this point in the year, and you should do just fine. Have an amazing day. Have an amazing weekend, and I will see you on Monday. Bye.